Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a new task about the intro logo. The task name is highlight the text in sentences about timeouts. So in this particular task, we have to highlight the timeouts in the sentence. So this task is very much easy and it pays a genuine amount of money. So for the training, we have to see the questions and instructions. So the task is accepted, and so here in instructions we have to see the sentence, full sentence, and we have to highlight the time, only the time, and that is like the time interval like this, in minutes, in seconds, hours, 1 hour, an hour. But if there is no hour or seconds also, then we can highlight this like 50, 5:30, 5 live and 5:40. Only we don't have to highlight is the AM PM. So if there is AM PM in the timer, so we don't have to highlight that. And also for the on specific time like several hours, several minutes, if there is several few in front of hours and minutes, then we don't have to highlight this. So here is the training, and instructions is like this. So here is the training. So for this question, for 30 minutes 10 seconds, so here is given time 30 minutes 10 seconds. So we have to highlight by this from the mouse and select and press on click time, so that it gets red and the answer is correct. So for this one, 1 hour it is time, the third one like 45 minutes time, 15 minutes time, and here for interval 25 minutes, 45 minutes, 40 minutes. So here is 2 times, so we have to highlight the both times like this one. So let's move for the second one. So for second one, you can see that this question has no timer, because it's saying several. So several means no specific time. So here we have to choose no matching text for this answer. For the second one, you can see 2 hours and 25 minutes. So this is time, so you have to highlight this like this one, 5 hours, and this one 7 minutes. And here you can see again several. So if there is several few, then you don't have to highlight, you have to select the answer no matching text. So like this one. And for the last one is the paid tax I did. It was accepted but the tax didn't load, but it was accepted. So for this paid tax, you have to submit it in a very slowly manner. If you submit it fast, then I think they will ban, or because of the less availability of tax, the tax appears less. So you have to check, reload and check time to time. So here you can see the answer for this was for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes 15 seconds, 20 minutes 3 seconds. And just you have to highlight the time frame like 3 hours 10 seconds, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. If there is only time, no nothing, then you have to highlight. It's also counted as time frame. 2 minutes, 7 hours and 30 minutes and 15 seconds, 5 minutes and 20 seconds, 5 hours, 30 minutes and 30 seconds. It's like this long sentence, long phrase. So you have to whole highlight like this one. So here is no time, because it's saying for. What is for? So you have to select no matching tags. So here like this one, an hour. So this is the time frame, and here you can see saying set me an alarm between 7 and 9 p.m. So 7 and 9 p.m. So p.m. and a.m. is also excluded. So you select no matching tags, and here is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is time. So you select the whole and press time button, and this will turn to red from blue to red. And this one you can see here a timer for 4 hours. Timer for 4 hours and 3 minutes. It's saying the 4 hours and 3 minutes. So you have to highlight this, and the last one is 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So all you have to do is highlight the time frames, and you are good to go like this one. So I highlighted this all, and my tax is accepted. Here you can see it's accepted. So I think this tax is very much easy, and it's getting it has rating, full star rating, so you can do this tax. And if you also pass the training, you can thanks me in the video by liking the video, commenting on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.